Hello everyone. Welcome back to Physics Maths World. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, then subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, stay tuned and never miss the update. We decide to make video about mathematics. Especially it is made for maths haters and also for maths lovers. We got many maths trolls on social medias. Most of them are making troll about maths is useless. They also satire on math teacher. So it is all about rumors, myths and reality about none other than maths. Without any late, let's start the video. First of all, let me introduce you about maths. Mathematics is the science that deals with the logic of shapes, quantity and arrangement. Math is all around us, in everything we do. It is the building block for everything in our daily lives, including mobile devices, architecture, art, money, engineering, and even sport. Since the beginning of recorded history, mathematics discovery has been at the forefront of every civilized society, and in use even the most primitive of cultures. The needs of math arose based in the wants of society. The more complex a society, the more complex the mathematical needs. Primitive tribes needed little more than the ability to count, but also relied on math to calculate the position of the sun and the physics of hunting. As civilizations developed, mathematicians began to work with geometry, which computes areas and volumes to make angular measurements and has many practical applications. Geometry is used in everything from home construction to fashion and interior design. Algebra offered civilizations a way to divide inheritances and allocate resources. The study of algebra meant mathematicians were solving linear equations and systems as well as quadratics and delving into positive and negative solutions. So if you are maths lover, hit the subscribe button and press the like button. Especially let's talk about different algebraic formulas and trigonometric formulas. Most of the people used to make trolls on these formulas. Let me clear the illusion, myths and reality of these formulas. These are the basic and fundamentals of higher mathematics which helps to drive higher mathematical equations. To believe on it, you have to study maths in depth and in higher level of mathematics, but if you have limited your education at high school, then obviously you don't feel the use of these mathematics. Now I want to tell about how much maths is important in this bizarre world. As everyone knows that all these technical devices used in our daily life is the boon of science. Everything we use like mobile phone, radio, television, computer, and all electrical devices made by using scientific principles and theories. All the principles and theories of science are not complete without application of mathematical equations. As we know, the physics is everything that explains each and everything related human being and nature. And physics itself is incomplete without mathematics. Every physics principles and theories need mathematical explanation to be exist. From today, one thing you have to note down in your diary, that physics is a king in nature while mathematics is queen. I hope you understand the mathematics behind your existence in this scientific world. So without mathematics we can't enter in this modern scientific world. What do you think about it? Don't forget to comment below. If you enjoyed our video, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, stay tuned, never miss the update. And also don't forget to like and share with your friends.